What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another one of these things. My name is Kate. This is Sometimes I'm Sober. I want to make burgers. I want to compare how different it is to go through the process of making a normal, like a chicken burger with actual chicken, or making a burger with the pre-made Farmer's Choice chicken stuff. For the ingredients, I have the chicken for the normal chicken burger. I have the chicken burger stuff. I have the buns. I like these buns. They're already pre-cut, so that's really nice. Some cheese. This is just leftover cheese. My sister was making pizza. A tomato. Some eggs. Some bacon. This is just mayo. Mustard. Ketchup. That's about it, I think. I'm gonna go over how I get this done. See what we get out of the end of this. So, I have my chicken here. Thawed out. It was in the fridge. It was in the fridge. So I get my black pepper. This thing just refuses to focus. Just constantly. There, black pepper. Salt. So you just kind of sprinkle the salt onto the chicken. And put in some pepper. Flip it over. Repeat. So with this chicken, I'm looking over there instead of here. So this chicken, I've seasoned it, and now I'm gonna go put it on the fire. Let that shit cook for a while. Oh, but first, some oil. So let that heat up for a bit, and then you can place your chicken on there. I'm just gonna get back when this is heated and ready. Right, so I've spread out the oil. Now I'm just gonna place the chicken. And then close this sucker up. So that's currently on full heat. I've never cooked chicken with this before, so I really hope it works out. So let's wait on the chicken to do its thing. Okay, I'm going to lower the heat a little bit. And still some of that soup. I don't know if you could call it soup. Whatever it is. So it's been about 5 minutes, and just checked on the chicken, flipped it over. It is currently doing swimmingly. I think I should cover this up so that it cooks. Right, so while I wait for the chicken to cook, I'm gonna prepare the buns and the other stuff, you know, the tomatoes, cut up some tomatoes, get some onions ready, and put mayo on the buns and all that stuff. You'll see it, you'll see it. Okay, so the meat has been going on for about 30 minutes. Forgive the noise, there's something cooking in the microwave. Let's check on it. I think it's time, I think it's ready. Yep, see that? The way it's pulling off the bone like that. It smells so good. That, I think, means it's ready, so I have my chopping board here. Yeesh. Let's move it to the surface. So I'm gonna debone this chicken, and then that's what's gonna go on the burger. So while I debone this and wait for it to cool, I'll get the pates onto the I'll get these pates onto the fire, and yeah, let's get these cooked. Or maybe I can do this with one hand. See if I can do this with one hand. Doggos! No, don't lick my hand. Kinda. So one thing you need to be cautious about these things is they have these papers. Don't just throw it in the fire. And then there's the separator thingy. Now, I think I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil. That was in a little bit. That's gonna be on there for about 5 minutes. These things cook fast. Put these back. Pizza action in the fridge. What's this? More pizza! It's time to check on the burgers. Oh, I need a spatula. Spatula. It's not ideal, but to get a bit burnt. But it is what it is. Right, so I've taken the pates off the fire. I have my chicken, I have my pates. The buns are sort of prepared. Still need to grate the cheese and bacon. Cook the bacon, cook an egg. But while this rests, I'm gonna do all that stuff. So this is the pate, a slice of bacon, a streak of bacon, some egg and some mozzarella. This is chicken, bacon, egg, mozzarella. Put some sauce, ketchup, sauce, ketchup. Mustard. And doing things one-handed is ridiculously hard. Okay, let me take photos before I cover it. This on there. Okay, so that's the final product. That looks naughty, man.
So it's breaking the 3-finger rule.
That's the normal burger. There's supposed to be bacon in there, but I can't taste it. This one is messy, so.
Why does one even start eating this?
I don't know, man.
Okay, definitely this one.
The grilled chicken one. So good. Like the flavor.
I'm like super good. Just a minute.
Not to wash our hands. So there you have it. The grilled chicken takes a lot longer and like takes a bit more patience, but it's definitely better, tastes better. I mean, nothing good comes easy, right? Title of your sex tape. Bye.
In heaven there is no beer. That is why you are drinking here. And when you are gone from here, your friends will be drinking your beer.